Welcome back guys, CryptoFollow channel. Today we'd like to show you just a local updates for Bittensor, TAO USDT trading pair with my custom request set. Let's dive in. First of all guys, I remind you the all main targets we reached it because I mark that monthly gap. We tested exactly the 0.5 level by FIP, just equilibrium of that monthly gap. Basically that correction, it was enough for correction. Can we drop and start form something like double bottom? Basically yes. So the most negative scenario, if for example in January, February, we will see 2 months down and after that going higher. So on a weekly time frame, it can look like this one. If we will form just a crazy weekly double bottom, I hope we will not drop again to 243 or even drop and sweep that low. I hope everything will be okay, but if we will, anyway, I think we can and I think we will see the new all-time high for Bittensor. And so take a look, just a basic pattern. If we will form double bottom, the size can be over than 1,000 or even 1,400 per Bittensor. So today I will share also the video about my experimental portfolio for AI token with the 10 tokens, and I will not include the Bittensor because time for accumulation for Bittensor being here. Most positive case scenario for Bittensor if we will hold the line at this weekly gap. So we already almost test 0.5 level by FIP of weekly gap. Perfect test, it will be 397. So personally for Bittensor, the perfect case scenario, most negative, it's a drop to form the double bottom global one on the weekly time frame. The most positive if we just form this low and going higher, continue the structure, just the basic structure, so higher lows and high highs. So nothing special happening now. So you can add alerts, for example. You can, if you believe, for example, in a Bittensor and you ready to accumulate this token at $456 per coin, you can accumulate even now. For the targets higher than all-time high of April 24, this one, because most likely, anyway, sooner or later, my take is bullish spring 25, and it's hard to say where exactly the Bittensor will stop. So the zone for accumulation locally, it's a sweep of this low, or we can go even from this current prices higher. So it can be just consolidation and going higher. So everything now depends on Bitcoin dominance and Bitcoin. If Bitcoin going to 90K again to 89K again, for example, yes, alts can bloody more. And anyway, we will recover back sooner or later. Just a basic FIP from this, let's say, top to this support. It's 1,157, 100, 700. So if you believe in that targets, you can accumulate now. But my take when I shared the video, so the zone of accumulation was around here and even here. So impulse, correction, impulse. This is correction, but we're still in the uptrend. So nothing bad happened with the Bittensor. Of course, guys, can it be the trap and all market will go to the bear market? Something like this one? Yes. But we take an action or not? I think anyway, BTC dominance can drop lower than 45%. In this case, when we will, I hope we will drop under 45%, liquidity start inflow into alt. After all-time high on a BTC or before, we can't know, right? But it can be the target for Bittensor. So 1, 2, 3. Maybe it's going to be the 3 drives better, top. It's hard to say. So this is a local zone for Bittensor. Let's take a look on the weekly time frame, just zones and what the whales do now with this token. This is accumulation, 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 and the perfect scenario if we will drop a little bit lower, right? Form another accumulation on the weekly time frame. Without the variances, just a healthy accumulation zone again on the weekly. Weekly, I analyze for investment, or for the swing trades. Of course, on a daily, you get a lot of noise around. So here was signal 2. Out of that token, we drop it step by step. We dump it like 40%. Here we saw again the signal 2 drop. Here 45%. Daily, it's accumulation, it's accumulation, it's accumulation. No accumulation on the daily like it was here on the drop. So the last one, it was June 24. Now, no signals based on direction on the daily. What is good? Finally, the daily time frame, we dropped to the this belief area. So it's pretty good one. But of course, guys, take a look on the weekly market mood, still like in a trill zone. So yes, this one. So this was a area drop, hope, pump, trill, area drop. This is a positive. So let's add alert to the Bittensor market mood. Let's say the hope zone, once again, the green one on the market mood on the weekly time frame. Got the last three indicators, money power on the weekly. Take a look how the whales distribute their tokens. So here, this is a bottom, pump, distribution, drop. Distribution every side there is the warranty, drop. But take a look, they not distribute exactly at the top. So the top was here and here, but they distribute just around the top. So at 600 and 700. After that, they put the price a little bit higher, almost to 800, and dump it. Here was a great time to accumulate it back. 243, 252, 197, lowest point of this 3 weeks accumulation. Then sweep, test 0.5, and going higher. Now, after that, so around this their entry here, they start distribute again after 153%. All the time, guys, they not chase the buy the dip. They accumulate an average, some price, for some token, and then distribute after 150 or 100 or 200, for example, percent, because the size of their initial deposit is so big. Trade on and take profit. Take profit here. Let's hide it. So this was a signal to buy, take profit, sell, sell. No signal to sell. Here was a 2 signals buy back. Now, no signals to buy back. Let's add alerts also. Maybe we'll see the buyback signal, but triangle up. This one. It's going to be the bullish signal. Daily time frame, of course, locally, here was sell, then pump and drop. So guys, when we build liquidity like this one, like this one, like this one, anyway, I think sooner or later we're going to sweep all of that stop losses. So that's the point. And the last indicator, it's take profit on a weekly here. Now we just test exit line. We almost tested this one. Take profit line. So take profit line on the weekly, it's 402. Buy line on the weekly. So this is a negative case scenario if we'll see some flash crash and dump to the buy line, form the double bottom. Exit line, it's sweep of equilibrium and the sweep of low August 74. It's 150. I don't think so. We will drop to 150. So just in case, guys. Daily time frame, let's take a look. Daily time frame and a 12-hour time frame. Here, 12-hour time frame, we're not so far from the buy line. Buy line test will be 374. For my value, it's 280. Daily time frame is 369 and 275. So perfect scenario for us, it's like this one. So guys, all zones for accumulation I showed you, all scenarios I showed you, and write in the comment what is your realistic new all-time high, if we will see the new all-time high for Bittensor for 2025. I hope you like this video. If you would like to trade with my custom maker site, what I showed in this video, just write me DM, subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button, don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.